Create a composition. Import PNG file and background. Drag and drop over the timeline. Adjust its scale and position. Taking a white shape layer over background. Decrease the transparency a little bit. Ending the animation at 5 seconds. Put the brain image over background. Decrease the size of the image a little bit. Now, Ctrl+D to duplicate. Applying fill effect over the brain, PNG layer. Change the fill color to black. Applying another effect called Grow Bound. Change the pixel value to 600. Now applying the last effect named Radial Phase Blur. Changing the center value like this. Change the amount to 93. Now set a keyframe at the starting point of center. At 4 seconds, changing its value to -198. Animation is looking slow, so moving the last keyframe to the left side little bit. Here is the final animation.